What's up everyone, it's your girl Sage Monet, and of course I am back with another video. So today I will be giving you guys a press on nail tutorial. I will be showing you guys how to put on your press on nails. I'm sure y'all know how to do it, so y'all just gonna watch me put mine on, because this is my first time putting them on, like my first time doing a lot of stuff lately. But yeah, so let's just get right into this video. But first, before we get into this video, I want to tell you guys that I am using LA Colors Nail Frail High Gloss Neon. I'm using this because they were unfortunately out of Kiss nails, press on nails. After this whole press on nail stuff went viral, everybody just fleeted to the store and bought out the whole shelf. I kid you not, it was literally nothing. So I went out and I bought this as well in a nail filer, and I have my nail polish remover. I'm almost out. So yes, we're gonna get right into this video. So right now I am about to use the nail polish remover to wipe off any excess dirt that's on my nails. This is very, very important for your nails to last longer. Well, your press on nails to last longer. Now I am opening my filer so I can file my nails, but y'all, I was having trouble opening it. Oh my gosh, like the struggle was real. So I finally got it open, and two came with the filer, and I was also having trouble with the buffer when I was opening it, but I finally got it open. Guys, don't forget this is my first time ever filing my nails, so cut me some slack if I'm not doing it right. I'm getting better. I'm getting better. Now I'm just gonna file the opposite side of my hand. I also filed my thumbnails so that my thumbnails can fit my thumb better. Now I am buffing my nails, and as you guys can see, I was struggling. It was so hard. I didn't know how to use it, so I'm just like scraping it all over. Like, oh wow, it's so embarrassing now that I'm rewatching it, but trust me, y'all, I got better. I didn't have the tool where you can use to move your skin back, so once you place the fake nails on, they can look real. So instead I just used my real nails to move my skin back. So right now I am using the LA Colors nail glue, which came with the nails. So I ended up adding a lot of glue on my pinky finger. So now what I'm doing is taking some of the glue that is on my pinky and putting it on my other nails. Also guys, don't forget to hold the nail down for like 10 seconds, maybe a little bit more. But this is to ensure that the nail stays on. As I add the first nail on, I kind of messed up because I didn't put the nail under my skin. So make sure that you put the nails under your skin so that the nails look real. Okay, so once I completed installing my nails, now I'm gonna take a filer and a buffer to make sure that the nails look real on my nails. I feel like I say the same thing every voiceover, but you guys get the message. I finally finished one hand, so now it's time for me to do my second hand. I actually feel like these look super cute, and I can't wait for you guys to see the final touches. Also guys, everything that I did on my first hand, I will be doing on my second hand. The same thing, but just better. And this is the final touch. It looks so pretty. Thank you guys for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also share with your friends, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at VTasiaMonet. Instagram is where I mainly post, so follow my Instagram, VTasiaMonet. Okay, so subscribe. We on the road to 200 subscribers, and let's get it.